মানে sampai mulai tu next generation mangke mas really lo nanti anglong nanti ini tu kamu di sini mangke kita kan ada musuh anglong adi mangke sampai arode tu kalau bukan mati angkat yang kami lu mana anglong kan kailangan ato so sampai angkat so kang pun kalau dak council so itu lepas state source itu dalam kemudian RT itu tidak model solong kamu itu tidak as ajak saya juga alang itu mas really dak dua yang bawah Samsung sing di diri akhir orang itu sama saja kalau sila kayak ini tuh jelang pun bila dia ini garda long ada kilometer itu serai itu dia pasti alang video jelang itu sila dah itu tak pemain itu mana orang itu sebenarnya macam ahli kontima ahli kontima si apa pemain laki isi kenang shot ini tuh kilo dikit cerai mati kaca suatu masuk king perang atau itu dapat sang step sang di arlong dapat kaprek atau itu ada alam kenangan kan pun atau kolam tanah so kan kilo SR sampai lang size of vacancy ladat kalau seperti Samsung sing
But our land is so overpopulated that our ancestors has offered land for protecting region and for coming generations.
Alang itu sampai mendapatkan boleh ditumbuhkan so kalau orang menggunakan
and this is what the objective were and this is why we have to protect our land, not for today but also for our coming generations.
Sombong sama ini
In the context of development, in the context of economic development, now land is increasingly being targeted for development. And today what we find is not just in Karbi Anglong, not just in Manipur, but even across the Northeast India, we are finding that there are so many multinational companies, there are so many corporate companies who are now targeting our land, our resource, our profit, and exploitation and plunder.
Vamos hala alali adir po kanuje non star po hi po mohon mane hi soitan noi tum yang po lo dalong le phela phan net tepik nang chiti talo lamali company chiti pe apoket ahem building sepa jadia phan la hi tum along le phela net ke tepe nang chiti po.
And we keep hearing in Karbi Anglong that there are so many companies here, like the oil company, there are so many companies, especially companies like the ONGC, the Oil India Limited, the Petrowas, we have the Event, Asian Oil. There are so many companies, you cannot count them, no? They are all coming here to extract or to take away the land resource of Karbi Anglong. And Karbi Anglong, and as all friends say, it's so rich. We never realized that our land is so rich. And this business is what the companies and corporate companies are coming to exploit, to explore, and to do seek their profit.
Nali tu chini na Karbi Anglong le ke part-time mane Anglong le me la pe ladak natural resort amokado pig latung pomi hala I asoitan latung amek ke na chiti bong no ahui Anglong le adlo pekin poti apa age than ale ke palo ni apan akaprek company wang pomlo topik nali tu chini ne Karbi Anglong wang pig lo.
And this inclusion of the corporate bodies, the multinational companies, the oil companies, these are done without recognizing the indigenous people's right over our land and resources. And these are being done without taking your permission. These are done without taking our permission. And these are done without informing us what will be the impact, what will be the benefit, what will be the long-term consequences of this kind of unsustainable and destructive form of development.
Alang li pulo lahui yang multi company itu nang lihat kumapan nang cimai ve nang cimung le pen nang lupom lo lapen along le adang make it happen cerai bom lo.
And India has so many laws on oil, on mining, for example, but these are laws which doesn't recognize the indigenous people's rights. No, these are laws that doesn't recognize our right to land and our forest. And for example, the UN Declaration on Indigenous People's Rights says that all indigenous peoples, all tribals have the right over the land. But the laws on oil and mining in India doesn't recognize our rights over our land and resources. And this is something that we have to resist. This is something that we have to say no.
Alang li isi important alang he nang nije lo indigenous pulo te habit ingnam ajo kedo anta ilitum apano telapen government of India atum abangke ingnam ajo kedo hala arlo lahuya tuman ingnam arlo kedo apon anke atum si ceraji ponta indigenous habani matum apano ingnam arlo kedo ke ponta latake palipa.
And this is a matter of big concern for us because this will not only take our land, but they will acquire our agricultural land, they will force our land, and this will cause displacement all over Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Anglong alone and Lupon lo, Longlen and Tiraji upon, Lapen, Bidi Kangin Pen, Lahu Yatu, Longle Pelan, Lapen Foresta Dimta, Lahu Coal Company, oil Akine upon Punoy, Lahu and Tiraji Pono, and have given false promise.
Jirison for presenting our issues to the United Nations Organization. Thank you very much. That's all I'm people that kado yurta Richard Ifatini Junilo. Nasi akor bang panaho na elo litum lapang solam aduman patiningin ang sot patinili kado ipan patinilo nasi alui hangi pram Bukan ini berani lugi ya pola macam pun kita ni lebang sebab je non ke lugi na porila atau hilang ke mana je lumna kasi I would like to request Mr. Jidison to please
Karbi National Assembly lo ngamai pu dorsing teran alang li pada dak heglok ason si do kasi alang li pada dak stage lo ki bang ji pada tunjuk lo la si alang li pada dili tum ni mardi tum hin pen Karbi poho pen kar chuponik ko Lasi alawi kita cini pange laan si kantoni lo modu tulang prong te la lam garing je ada kau si dili tum hang kon tepo la penon kedo po militum General Secretary Moderam Stokpi alang di panta tak stage lo ki bang ji pansi tuli lo alang di panta Karbi apo open litum hin atupo
Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Parabul. Long live, long live. Long live, long live.